How to make zebra print. First step, you take A4 sheet and black poster color paint and take small round brush. So small brushes best for this painting. First you draw a small curve line and you make it as a thin line, and step by step you can increase that size of the lines. So some places you can do thin line and some place you can do thick lines. See there, thick line and thin lines. So here and there you can make small curved shapes, so it is look like a zebra print. So step by step you can complete wherever you need this print. Almost we are going to finish this painting. Over friends, I hope this video helpful for beginners. Thank you for watching.